Hello, welcome back. Quite an exciting day planned today. So early start. I've been up since 6. It's now nearly 7:30. We are about to leave because we're off to the Hoover Dam. So it's about a 35-minute drive from here. We're going early, so it doesn't open till 9. But the plan is to try and go early because you're allowed in before to go and walk across the top, and then at 9 the tours open, which we have booked, and you can go downstairs. So the idea is to get there, do all the shots above, go downstairs, because then also we're heading to Eagle Point, the Grand Canyon. So quite a packed out day because it's like another hour and a half, I think, from there to Eagle Point, and also Arizona apparently an hour ahead. So as soon as we cross the border, you're going to be 1 hour ahead, and they shut at 5. So we were on it today basically. So I need a coffee, and then we're going. On our weather update today, it's looking quite a sunny one once again. I think we're looking around 20 degrees Celsius throughout the day. Definitely cold in the evenings though, so got the jacket in the bag and we are ready to go. Yeah. Season greetings over there. We're about 5 minutes from the Hoover Dam. I quickly stopped at the petrol station because the Hoover Dam isn't open. That means the restrooms aren't open.
In a quarter of a mile at the roundabout.
It's a roundabout. Wow. And you've just got the wrong way around the roundabout.
Have I?
Yeah, you have, but you might as well carry on. Oh my god, I've got that on film as well.
Shit.
You're on the wrong lane, you're on the wrong lane, babe. Go, go, go.
Roundabout onto Nevada 172. Scary. This is scary though.
I know, yeah.
Come up quick. Do I have to go stop here? Wait, which one?
I didn't film it, but they have like a security checkpoint, so you have to stop, and then you have to put your windows down, and they just ask you if you've got any guns or drones, apparently. We've stopped at the first car park because I want to go across the bridge before we head to the actual dam. We've got to go up that, look. Oh, wow. Oh, it's in memory. Oh.
Sorry?
In the memory thing. I feel exhausted already. Still going. Wow. Yeah. Well, I think anyway. Quite cool, you get a little bit of history as well. I was just trying to work out why they've got a Nevada sign. It's because we're going into Arizona. It's busy on the bridge. Oh, there it is, look. Wow. Right, there we go. Look at that. Wow. You also can see the water line at the back there, where the water used to be. It's lost a lot of levels to it. I see where we want to try and go and park. It's down there, look, and then walk across. So I think it's the halfway point right there. I think is where supposedly it's Arizona's sort of side, and then you can park over there, and apparently it's free parking. But on this side, I've been told it's $10. Right, we drive to the next car park.
Hoover Dam access road for half a
Couple
mile.
of minutes away. Welcome to the Hoover Dam. That bridge is amazing, and we were just up there. Don't think I want to walk up the steps back to the car. That's where we're going to go in a minute, but we're going to go across the top first. Wow. And then, oh my god, wow. Oh, Mariah can't see over it. Oh no. And then look. Wow. That's cool, but it's blocked off, you can't get to it. Oh, that's cool over there. I think it's the old exhibit centre. So I thought I'd lost Mariah, and I looked left. There she is. So, I've just seen that. So there's Nevada time. And then if I zoom back out, zoom in, Arizona time, they're an hour ahead. That's cool. A better shot of that bridge. That is so high up. I was just letting Mariah know where the white line is on the water, on the rock. That's where the water used to be, and look at it now. I'm not sure how long it's been decreasing over. I think this is the state line. Look, Nevada, Arizona, right in the middle. It's confusing because my watch and phone haven't changed time. But when we go to Eagle Point Grand Canyon Pit, we will be an hour ahead, so I'm hoping the phone changes so we know what time we're in. Wow. Closer up of the Arizona time. And here we go, look at this. Wow.
Look at that.
So fascinating just being here. Yeah, I think we're heading over to there now, the visitor centre. There's your car park. $10 by the way, if you're coming here, ever.
Not bad for $10.
Not bad, yeah, not bad. I agree. Cheaper than some of the places around here.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, as I said, I guess oh yeah, look, they've got names on them. We were just saying, assuming this is like power lines, not more construction. We were just saying, they've got loads of fountains about. They seem to have a water problem. Well, they did say like a few years ago. Maybe I just left it here then. See people on the bridge still. Hello. There's another one here. I don't think it's the same, no. Oh, it's some facts about it. It's really hard to read. I think I'm just going to leave it on the camera because it's kind of rubbed off quite a bit. Someone's doing their helicopter tour. They've probably got an amazing view of this. These are the skinny elevators. Elevator, escalator. Nice breeze down here though. It's got quite hot. I'm regretting wearing the jumper at the moment. Beth, can we come upstairs? We've just gone there to go under, to come back up. No escalator, up the stairs. Another view of it.
Half to the upper basin and half to the lower basin. The Colorado River Compact paved the way for the construction of Hoover Dam. In 1931, a contract to build a dam on the Colorado River was awarded, and over 5,000 men, desperate for work, swarmed the Black Canyon to build this ambitious project. Streams. The Colorado River grows into a mighty force.
There you go, there's your Boulder City white air thing. Built for the dam. It shows them doing it. I wouldn't be doing that. Wow. Health and safety. You can kind of just see him up there. Wow. That's what we were trying to show at the top, the bits where the water can come out, although I don't think there's enough water to do that at the moment. What is that? Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah. I remember that, yeah. Oh, I used to have them as well. Wow. They have them in the gift shop. There's another outdoor bit here. Wow.
From the takeoff cantilever towers, designed to ensure that the runners do not touch the walls of the cabin and short out. These were called escapes, strung on the top of the canyon walls by a single rope. Thank you for coming and seeing one of
Making our way back to the car now. And back out we go on our way to Arizona. can kind of film it now. That's where the
In
security
300
checkpoint is over
yards,
there.
at the roundabout, continue straight onto Nevada 172.
Look at the queue, look at that. Oh yeah, we definitely planned that right. Look, thank you for visiting Hoover Dam. Wow. There was no queue for us, we just rocked up, asked to put the windows down and we left. Right, there is a roundabout, so please be careful. Wow.
You're recording it!
This is the infamous roundabout where we came up this bit of the road. We've done it right. Well,
Exit the roundabout
Listening
into
to
the
them
city
following the
road.
one in front.
Well, that's where we walked. Welcome to Arizona. Wow. We're about 5 minutes into Arizona and time has just changed. It's gone and flipped an hour ahead. Sort of see on the car, which is not going to show you. 10:52 and it's now 11:52. Wow, wind farms everywhere. The dam wasn't enough electricity, they need more. Doesn't look like any of them are on. Maybe there's not enough wind today. Right, another quick restroom break, as then it's like an hour and 10 minutes down the road of just desert, I think. Wow. Don't mind me. Where's your lollipop man, lady?
Continue on Diamond Bar Road for 17 miles.
People are going on a little trail. Don't know what's there.
Right, are you going to indicate or what are you doing?
Very windy.
There's
We have another roundabout. We've nowhere to go. Why did they make a roundabout? There's an airport here. Wow. So we didn't realise you don't actually drive up to the canyon place. Oh, there's a plane. You have to stop at the airport, park at the airport, and then they take you on a bus. All like security checkpoints everywhere. I'm waiting for the bus. There's loads over there, not in use. We've just got one. Love the random tree here. There's your bridge. Wow. It's a longer bus queue to get back as well. So that'll be exciting. Apparently, it's because it's Black Friday today, and they said it's their busiest day. Didn't know that. Wow. Everyone has to wear shoe covers. Very exotic. There we go. Oh. Oh my god, wow. Wow.
I don't know, but
That's amazing. Sorry. Mariah's trying to hold on to the handrail. You got this. It's just amazing, like how deep it goes. Just following it around. So we're saying the reason it's called Eagle Point is because of that. It's shaped like an eagle's wing. You got this. That's interesting. How did they get there? Quite a busy line to get back on. Wow. And it's hot.
People were spreading out wide. It wasn't because you were getting service. It's just in here. 6 people are dead on line for just.
Right, next one, Guano Point. Apparently this one doesn't have a rope on the edge, so don't fall down because it's 3,600 feet to the bottom. Wow. That's amazing. Mariah's dared me to go to the top now, so I feel like I need to. I climbed to the top. Wow. Wow. It's amazing. Mariah's down there somewhere. I think she's hidden behind the wall over there. I saw her phone pop out. I'm back down from safety, or back down to safety, should I say. Just kind of wandering around. Wow, I didn't know there was going to be people at that one. Wow.
we do.
You know, some khakis. Got in there, she handed me drug tests and shit.
So apparently this is the mining tower, and the cables used to run into the canyon until a fighter jet caught one of the cables, and then the US government came and removed it. So you can kind of see where they're gone. It's all abandoned, but yeah, there was a mine here. Wow. Well, they're getting a cool view. Wow. It's really hard because the camera, I don't think, gives it justice, like of just how massive this place is. And watch your step. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Really well, man. People still queuing. It closes in an hour. Wow. They have more buses running now. They've been coming and going. Right, time to head back to Las Vegas. That's cost us $100 today. Well, actually, not including tax. I think it was about 125 or something like that. No, that was, I don't know, 227 in total for 2 people. Expensive, but yeah, I don't know. You can see other places. I think Williams has a place, and it was like a 6-hour drive from Vegas, and we didn't want to do that one. That's only a 2-hour drive for us. So let's get going. I just parked up here. Can't believe how many people are still trying to go there. Said it shuts at 5 and it's currently 4 p.m. Still people coming in saying they're about to get the bus. It's Mariah driving down the strip, not me. I'm impatient for this. Yeah, we're coming back to the Coca-Cola store, see if we can get something they didn't have yesterday, which was the personalised can. No, they're still not working. Oh, we're so looking forward to that. I suspect there's people in there having their dinner. They'll have the best view. Busier than yesterday. Busy, wow. As my case already weighs 24 kilos, they had this in Target. It was $90, now $49.99. So I've had to get it. I am going to have to pay to check in on Virgin Atlantic as well. I tried to order a milkshake, but only Mariah. I got one. I got Fanta. Basically, Mariah's copied mine. The deluxe Chick-fil-A meal. No, I ordered mine first, thank you. Right, well, we're back at the hotel, but we see it says Silverton above, and that's technically the Berkshire. Over there has a Silverton Casino, and it says it has an aquarium, so we're going to go and have a look. I like the tree. think they must have put that out after Thanksgiving. That wasn't there before, which was yesterday, so this morning. Oh wow, look at that. That is cool. And there's a bauble in there. Oh look, stingrays, I swam with them. I could try and lose some more money. Right, now back to our own hotels over here. It's good that you can just walk to the other hotels though, I do like that. So, here's my 2 cases now, and there's still, this isn't everything. There's more stuff behind me. Although my eyes getting changed, so I won't pan it around. Right, time for bed, I think so. Okay, good morning. So, quite a restful night actually. Fell asleep about 10:30, but I've been up since about 6:30 this morning. Time zone, really struggling with it. That 8 hours, I'm gonna have to take some melatonin tonight, I think, because it's really bad. But feels like quite a packed day again today. Although tomorrow looks quite empty, so I'm looking forward to that. Today we got the 4-hour drive back to LA. That's 4 hours without traffic at the moment, so who knows with this place. So I think there might be a few stops. We're actually not going to leave straight away. I'm just packing up, and then we're going to head to Target, Home Goods, just a few places before we make our long journey back. So let's go. Looks a nice sunny day again, so that's all good. There was people in there, by the way, last night. We saw, I think it was about 9:30. They were in there, but it's literally been about 6 degrees Celsius when we've been getting back in the evening. Even I found that too cold, so yeah, God knows how they're doing it. It's been so helpful having a dishwasher, although they only gave you 1 tablet, so the rest has had to be hand washed up. So I'm just packing that away, doing our part to tidy up. Well, there goes one of my old pair of trainers. They've had their day, kind of all worn down. Goodbye room. Somehow got to get all this in, and this. We were late checking out by about 5 minutes because we waited for a lift for 20 minutes. There's just only a couple of them. Everyone's checking out at 10, aren't they? So we had to just keep waiting. Then we had to go up like another 10 floors to come back down, and the same people were still waiting behind us going, oh, it's you again. So, wow, okay, but we're out, we're getting in the car. That's an interesting looking car, it's a heel. Wow. Yet another filling up. It's quite cool though, you get a little
premium terrace table, a $1,500 shopping spree, and a hotel.
That one's $35 this time. I can't tell, they're all about the same price. Right, let's go and have a look around Target. There she is.
Dude, there's so much stuff. What time is it here?
Can't really see it, it's a Dollar Tree. Where you going? Oh, you're there. That's where we want to head after, like Five Below and Bath Body Works. It's already like 12:30 and we haven't even left Vegas yet. Just a few gifts for people. Okay, now we're hitting the road, but there's a lot of traffic. It's red pretty much everywhere. Instead of 3.5 hours, it's going to take nearly 5.5. Oh, wish us luck.
Onto Nevada
Let's get out of
146 West, St. Rose Parkway.
Those mountains look so cool. Right, this is, well, where we need to go is up that way, but we're getting off because if we carry on that way, there's like 40 minutes of just red traffic that's stopped. Whereas for an extra 10 miles, you can save 20 minutes going through the desert, basically. So hopefully we'll find our way.
1 West.
That's a big flag. Kind of makes you feel like you're heading away from the bit you want to go. We need to go back that way at some point. We're getting the rural journey now. Oh my god. into the mountains now. Wow. Just know we're saving 10 minutes coming this way, okay? That side's had new paving. We've not had that yet. We're taking the rally route. Oh, you've actually got to go on the dust. Oh my god. Oh wow, okay. Right, handbrake turn. Oh my god. Well, this feels better, doesn't it?
How come they get such a big wide
No,
thing?
they've got like a dual lane, we've got the single lane. Slapping on the water. Scream if you want to go faster. Okay, hold tight. Oh, at least you've got someone to follow.
Yeah.
And I think. Okay. We're okay. I think we're now officially in California. Again, we've left Nevada. Oh, God. Oh, that's smooth. We were thinking of booking Disney on Tuesday. I don't know if we need it now. We just said it's quite terrifying going up that mountain bit. That's the way we're going. It's very sandy. Maybe that's why it's called Sandy Valley. Oh my god. I don't think this is a road. This is just gravel. Oh my god. There's no.
Oh my god!
I think we've got this for 11 miles. Just remember, we saved 10 minutes. That's the ultimate key thing here. Okay. No wonder no one else really followed us. Oh, it's horrible. Well, thank you for driving today. I've put it in the off-road mode now, so hopefully that helps. Oh, okay, right, well, all right, let's take it steady. Whoa. I'm not the one giving this back to Alamo. You can explain. We caught up to someone. We have a friend. Oh, she's gone for it. Wow, okay. Thank you.
Night
I
time.
know. I can't wait to get off this bit. Oh, this is worse. It can't get worse. It got worse. Wow. Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. That's why Google said it was orange. Jesus. Oh, wow.
God.
You're climbing. What options have I got here? Can I warn people?
Rocky road.
Yeah. Object of
Why are they on my side?
Why are they on your side of the road? Get off your side. Oh my god.
I can't see.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, that's
You
scary.
got this, you got this. Rain just leaves a smoke trail everywhere.
It's really hard though. I can't.
I know. Should I put it on Google now? Low visibility. We overtook some there. Did we do this to them? Please be an actual road.
Oh my god, is that just
No, you are going left, yeah. But please be a road. Is it a road? It looks icy tarmac.
13 miles.
It's good.
can you see anything?
No, you're good. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's the freeway again. He's just going for it. Well, this is place where we'll be getting on in a minute. We're coming back to the garage we were stopped
In a
at the
quarter
other
of a
day.
mile, turn left.
And you can see the traffic down there. That's what we've been trying to avoid. Same place, stopped at the other day, just retracing our steps. Only took about an hour last time, that's taken us about an hour and 35. Well, this is the queue for the restroom. Oh dear. It's not going down. Wow, that was a 15-minute wait. I've never had to wait that long. But hey hum, let's get on the road. I think it's a really bad travel day because I think he's still saying it's nearly 4 hours. And we've done about an hour of the journey. Well, an hour and a half actually. But it's, as you get into Los Angeles, I think there's 28 minutes of traffic, like standstill because of an accident. But we might clear up, who knows. Oh, we're actually joining the freeway now. Oh, very slow. Looks like they're building proper service stations over there. Got a little bit of speed for now, but I do know that it keeps kind of orange and red a bit later on.
In 2 miles, take exit.
Google's directed us off again to try and save some time as it's taken us off the freeway.
Continue onto I-15 Business
hopefully it's not
Loop,
Desert Road
Lakeview
again.
Boulevard, then turn right onto Lakeview
Oh, you
Road.
can see it stopped over there. That's what it's trying to avoid. It's always that thing though, because you click accept, but then you're like, how many other people accepted that? This is Baker apparently. The roads seem okay for now. Google sent us all this way, now we're just queuing in the city or town.
At the stop sign,
And we're rejoining it. What is that? Wow. We've stopped at Eddie World again. Nice little rest stop. Apparently there's a 30-minute delay in the Canyon choke point, so we've just got to go through it. So it's 2 hours 42 minutes from here with no more stops to the hotel, but I suspect with that we'll probably need to stop again. Very small caravan that is. It's just gonna be like a little child in the window. The sun's nearly gone. Well, it practically is. But it's just like a little glaze. Oh, here's the start of it. Like 50 minutes. No, it's just disappeared. But it said 50 minutes of traffic coming up here. Google's trying to find us some alternative routes. So we're kind of going parallel with the freeway at the moment, but I do know we're going to have to rejoin that in a moment, so exciting. Can't work out if listening to Google's been quick or not. I'm trying to recognise if I see any lorries I saw earlier. Well, this is what we're getting back into.
there's a 27-minute congestion on Interstate 15 South in a quarter mile.
Thank you, Google.
You're still on the fastest route.
I know. We've been here the whole time. Over 30 minutes we've been here. You can see the trail we're following. How many miles? Oh, I thought we were nearly there. To clarify, that's not even the hotel. The hotel's another hour after that. This is just a stop-off point at Target as soon as this traffic finishes. So we're also hungry because it's not showing you the time. It's over there, 6:16. Starting to feel quite hungry. In the distance there, you can just see there's more traffic coming this way, which I think ends up joining onto here. The end of the red is coming up. Oh my god. 16 days later, we're finally coming out of it. Wow. What I can't work out is why. Why have we been in that? Because that's been like that all day. So even when we left Las Vegas about 6 hours ago now, that said this bit where we are,
sort of choke point canyon coming through to Los Angeles was dark red. But I don't get why. There's been nothing. There's been no accident, no roadworks, just literal huge amounts of traffic. All I can think is it is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and I guess everyone's got to go home, haven't they? Alright, 2 hours later, we're at our probably hopefully last pit stop before the hotel. We've got another hour to go. I'm going to take over the drive and give Mariah a rest. Bless her.
Lovely. English driving.
Finally, we have made it. Oh my god, wow. Oh, get the cases. Taking my 2 cases. We're over here somewhere. Yeah, please hide. Stay there, don't move. I'm joking. Okay, so this is the tour. You walk in and you've kind of got the bathroom, which is, which Mariah's going to like because it has a sink plug, that's the word, in the bath, whereas the other one didn't, so she can have a bath instead of a shower. Massive king size bed here. That looks lovely. Got a TV, which Mariah just let me know that it's got Netflix on. Microwave, which we weren't sure we had, so that's why we didn't get any food a minute ago. Quite a big fridge. Oh. Cases, little desk area. I don't think there's anything out there, but it's dark anyway. So yeah, that's it. That's us for the next 6 nights. There's like a little seating area out here. There is a pool somewhere. I just don't know where it is. It's definitely not there. That's what I was looking for. Laundry service. I need to do some laundry. But how does it work? Oh, okay. Oh, do you have to do coins? Right, well, I'll work this out. Found the pool. It's opposite. I think it's open till 10. Oh, it does say, yeah, till 10. And on their website, it does say it's heated. But after a long day, I'm not sure if I can be bothered. There you go. As there's a microwave in the hotel, we're picking up some sort of food options for the next couple of days. It's the fireworks from Disney, because it's right behind the hotel. Well, here's dinner tonight. I've got orange chicken. Mariah's got ramen noodles, which she's just putting together. And then there's the ramen bit there. Right, after that, a 7-hour drive, 6 hours from Mariah, and I appreciate that. Me, just that last hour, that's the longest drive I've ever been in. It should have been a 3.5 hour, took 7 hours in total. Crazy traffic. Time for bed, I need to get some sleep, so see you next time.